The spelling homework can be accessed through the email that I send you on those slides, or it can be in Classroom, either way. The spelling homework is actually just at the right top corner of the slides that I send, or the document that I send every day. So if it was in Classroom, you would just go into Classroom, go into my class, open up the classwork, go to today's assignments, which I sent last night, open them up, and then at the top right corner, there's a link for the spelling homework, and I put it at the top of every day's assignments. So you would just click on it and open it up, and there you have it. So I hope that helps. Yeah, and if you get the email with my slides, it's the same thing. It's just in the top right corner of the slide that I email to you. Okay, I hope that helps.